In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable Grammarly for Microsoft Word and Outlook in just 5 minutes. This simple guide will enhance your writing experience by integrating Grammarly's powerful grammar and spelling tools directly into your favorite Microsoft applications. Let's start with Microsoft Word. First, you'll want to open Microsoft Office Online. This can be done easily by navigating to the Office website and logging in with your Microsoft account. Once you're in, you'll need to open Word from the available applications. It's the same familiar Word interface, just in your browser. Next, you'll want to create a new document, so open a blank document from the start screen. This will give us a fresh canvas to demonstrate how to enable Grammarly. Once you have your blank document opened, look towards the top of the page and find the Home menu. This is where you'll access settings and options that are essential for this process. From the Home menu, locate and click on Add-ins. This will open an add-in store for Word where you'll find all sorts of tools that can extend the functionality of Word. In the search bar, type in Grammarly. You'll see Grammarly listed as an option. To add it, simply click on the Add button. This will attach the Grammarly tool to your Word account, enhancing it with real-time spelling and grammatical checking. Now let's switch gears to Outlook. Start by clicking on the Microsoft App Launcher, the grid icon, often found at the top left of the screen when you're logged into your Microsoft account. From here, select Outlook from the list. If this is your first time logging in today, you might need to enter your credentials to access your emails. Once you're in Outlook, you'll want to start a new email. Look for the New Mail button, usually located in the upper left corner of your screen. Click it to open a new email draft. In the New Mail window, you should see a Grammarly icon. Clicking this will activate Grammarly in your Outlook application, providing suggestions and corrections as you type emails. And there you have it, Grammarly is now added to both Microsoft Word and Outlook, ready to help you write with greater accuracy and confidence. Congratulations on enhancing your Microsoft apps with Grammarly's smart writing tools. If you have any questions or run into any issues, feel free to leave a comment below or check Grammarly's support resources for assistance. Thanks for watching and happy writing.